If you've been seeing ads for RestoraBowl lately, you might be wondering whether this toilet cleaner is actually worth buying or if it's just another overhyped product with flashy marketing. The product claims you can simply pour into the toilet, let it foam, flush, and remove stains without scrubbing. According to the website, the oxygen foam formula lifts deep stains, removes grime below the surface, and is safe for porcelain and septic systems. The company also says stains keep coming back because scrubbing creates microscopic scratches that trap dirt, rust, and hard water buildup over time. On the surface, it sounds like an easy solution for a frustrating cleaning problem. Before we start, here's a quick disclaimer. This video is for educational and awareness purposes only. We do not promote or endorse any products or supplements shown. All opinions are based on public information and red flags that may suggest misleading or unsafe marketing. Now, while the product sounds impressive, there are several red flags buyers should pay attention to before ordering. One of the biggest claims is that there's no scrubbing needed. But in reality, many hard water stains, rust stains, and mineral deposits usually still require scrubbing or repeated cleaning cycles. Even professional cleaners and users on Reddit often mention that severe toilet buildup rarely disappears after one simple treatment. Another concern is the dramatic before and after images shown in the ads. These types of marketing visuals can sometimes be exaggerated and may not represent what average users actually experience. Older toilets or deeply stained bowls often need much stronger cleaning methods or repeated treatments to show noticeable improvement. The website also appears to suggest that the cleaner can remove all stains, but that can be misleading. Some discoloration is caused by permanent enamel damage rather than dirt or grime. In those situations, even strong cleaning products may not fully restore the toilet surface. Online users have also reported that certain stains simply never disappear completely. There are also possible safety concerns to think about. Some toilet bowl cleaners can damage surfaces if used incorrectly. Reddit users have shared experiences where harsh cleaners cause discoloration, bubbling coatings, or etched tiles. So if a product claims to be completely safe or non-corrosive, it's still important to be cautious because formulas designed to remove limescale and rust can sometimes affect chrome parts, toilet seats, or coatings. Another red flag is the use of vague marketing phrases like effortless cleaning or instantly restores shine. These are advertising terms rather than scientifically proven guarantees. The website may focus more on emotional demonstrations and satisfying cleaning videos instead of detailed ingredient transparency, lab testing, or certifications. There also seems to be limited independent customer feedback available outside the official website. That makes it harder to confirm whether the product consistently works as advertised. And if the site uses countdown timers, huge discounts, or bulk buy offers, those are common tactics often seen on dropshipping style stores. At the end of the day, RestoraBowl may help with light stains and regular maintenance, but some of the marketing claims appear exaggerated. If you're thinking about buying it, make sure to research carefully, check independent reviews, and avoid expecting miracle results from a single cleaning product.